pursuit and application of knowledge and understanding of the natural and social world following a systematic methodology based on evidence. What is technology? Technology is the application of scientific knowledge to the practical aims of human life, or as it is sometimes phrased, to the change and manipulation of the human environment. What is society? Society is a group of people with different identification, living pattern, race, religion, and so on. The information age, where laptops and the internet are our windows to a world of boundless knowledge and connectivity, but with these advancements come a host of challenges and responsibilities. Social media, the hallmark of our digital era, enables global communication and community building. Yet, it also amplifies darker aspects of human interactions, from cyberbullying to the erosion of privacy. With over 4.7 billion users worldwide, social media has reshaped our societies, influencing everything from personal relationships to political movements. The internet, a cornerstone of the information age, has revolutionized how we learn, govern, and even wage war. But with these innovations come new challenges, from cybersecurity threats to concerns about privacy and identity theft. Meanwhile, Earth biodiversity, encompassing everything from microscopic organisms to majestic rainforests, faces unprecedented threats. Human activities from deforestation to pollution jeopardize the delicate balance of life in our planet. Climate change, driven by human activities such as fossil fuel consumption and deforestation, poses an existential threat to our planet. From hotter temperatures to more frequent natural disasters, the effects of climate change are already being felt around the globe. Environmental degradation, fueled by factors like overpopulation and unsustainable resource extraction, further exacerbates the challenges we face. It's imperative that we prioritize sustainable development and environmental stewardship to safeguard the future of our planet. In this information age, we have the power to shape our world like never before. Let's ensure that our legacy is one of progress, not peril.